Hey, if you're a teacher, firefighter, law enforcement officer, or EMT, you can get 50% off a home that you buy. There's a new program called the Good Neighbor Next Door program where teachers, firefighters, EMTs, or law enforcement officers can get 50% off certain homes. If you're in one of those qualified professions, you can purchase a home listed by HUD for 50% off. And here's some of the requirements of the program. You cannot have owned a home in the last 12 months. You have to live in the property as your sole residence for 3 years, or you would have to pay the discount back. And as we said, you have to work in the community that you're purchasing the home. You also need a 640 credit score. And really, those are the only requirements. The only other issue is that it's only HUD homes that are available under this program. Luckily, HUD has their own search, so I can link that in the description box. So if you're interested in this program, you can look for homes through there. Now, a lot of these properties are going to need work, but that's where this other program, FHA 203K, comes in. The FHA 203K loan will allow you to borrow the rehab money to fix up the property. So for example, say the HUD home was listed at $100,000. You then get a 50% discount, so you would only pay $50,000 for the property. And then with the 203K loan, you can borrow an additional $50,000 to rehab the house, and you can really go crazy and make it look, the way that you want it to. And so your loan would be now for $100,000, $50,000 to buy it, and $50,000 to fix it up. Now, the great thing about doing this is that you're probably going to have really great equity in the property. The property might go for $150,000 after you're done the rehab if you do it smart. And so this is a great program for anyone that does service the community, like police officers, EMT, firefighters. It's a really awesome program. I really love the idea because you're trying to get, people to live in the communities that they serve, which is a great thing. So if you are a police officer, firefighter, EMT, or teacher, definitely check out this program. It would really benefit you. 50% off a home. Check it out. Imagine buying a $300,000 house and now you only have to pay $150,000. That's awesome. So again, I'm going to link the search for HUD homes in the description box, so check that out. And if you're interested or have more questions, definitely reach out and contact me. I pride myself in my accessibility. I try to answer as soon as possible, especially at least through text or email. If you found this information helpful, definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that's it, guys. Thanks. Bye-bye.